Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to divide a circle into 20 equal parts. I'm using a 5 centimeters radius here, but you can use any radius you like, and I'm drawing my beautiful circle and my horizontal line. You can eyeball it, you can measure the distance, whatever you prefer, just make sure that your horizontal line is passing through the center. Next thing, I'm grabbing my compass back again, pointing into this intersection, opening to 2/3 of the diameter and making two marks, actually four marks, just like this. This is for us to draw the vertical line by connecting the intersections between these four marks. Always make sure that your vertical line is passing through the center as well. Next, I'm going back to my initial radius and pointing the compass on this intersection. I'm gonna make a mark on top and at the bottom, just like this. Next, I'm aligning my ruler to these two intersections and I'm making a mark on the horizontal line. This will be the center of my next circle. So I'm opening my compass, pointing into this intersection and open it to the center of the big circle. Just make sure, double check both intersection, both the one on the left and on the right. So make sure that you're drawing a perfect circle tangent to these 2 points. Next, I'm aligning my ruler to this point and this one, and I'm just making a mark on the smaller circle. Next, I'm pointing my compass down here, open it to this intersection point, and I'm just gonna make two marks, one on the left and one on the right on the circumference. Make sure to delete this one just so you don't get confused. And now this one is, this distance is 1/5 of my circle. So I'm just gonna measure it with my compass, making a mark here, double checking it matches with this point here on top. If it doesn't, go back and do your calculation to make sure it matches perfectly. Now I'm going to connect the points on the circumference to the center point, dividing my circle into 5 equal parts. So first I'm completing my 5-fold division, as you can see. And next, to divide the circle into 10, you just need to extend the line on the other direction, as I'm showing you here. This will allow us to divide the circle into 10, because 5 plus 5 is 10. And this is the last one. And this is the 10-fold division of a circle. This time we have not deleted the horizontal line because the distance between the horizontal line and the 10-fold division is what gives us the 20-fold division. So I'm just measuring the distance and making my marks on the circumference to find the divisions I need to connect. I'm checking each point, to be honest, just to make sure that I have measured the correct distance. It might happen that some point down a line, as you can see here, because I've done some checkings before, it's totally normal. 5-fold division, 10-fold is really difficult to match. Now I'm using my ruler again to connect opposite points and also make sure to that each line passes through the center. We already have the horizontal line, so it's one line less to draw. And now my circle is divided into 20 equal parts. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Bye!